Oh, this fool's crazy. Look at him. He's gonna go down the hill. Yeah. We got so much rain last night, it wasn't even funny. It's so muddy. He was sinking like crazy. Alright, well, we're waiting on JP. He went to get his rubber boots. He's coming. Check him out. He doesn't want to get his fancy shoes dirty.
Why would I?
I don't know, I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to get my fancy shoes dirty either. Alright, well, we're gonna run down the hill and reset this raccoon trap. They didn't set it right last night. I was trying to tell them how to do it because I didn't go down. There wasn't enough camera light or anything, so I didn't waste my time filming. So we're gonna go down and set it the right way, and hopefully we'll catch a raccoon tonight. My dad just has a deer feeder down there that they've been messing up. So you coming in here?
Yeah.
Alright. See you at the bottom of the hill.
Yeah, we just gotta fill this in some rock.
You don't have any air in the tires.
That's good. None.
He's like, does it really need air? I'm like, yes, it needs air.
I would say the tires probably need air. Why'd they put the trash bag on the inside? What?
I don't know. Oh, we're losing cereal. Cereal. Alright guys, so we made it to the bottom of the hill. This is the job that they did last night. So no daggone wonder they didn't catch nothing. So, we are going to change this to where the trash bag is on the outside. So it makes it look like they're going actually like into a little dirt cave. That's what I do at the house, and it seems to have worked a lot better than just leaving the live trap open. The raccoons come around from the backside and they'll just grab the food out, and then you're without food. So I'm gonna get this set up. I'll show it to you guys whenever I'm done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the live trap set up. Here's what it looks like now. So it's just covered up so it looks like a little den so that they'll walk into it. Today the juice is gonna be Fruit Loops with marshmallows. We'll see if it works out for us. Here's the deer corn that they've been eating. They've been climbing all over that bulk feeder. So we're gonna try to catch them and relocate them. Alright, let's put this stuff in here. You think it's gonna work? What do you think, Jipper?
I think so.
You think you got it?
I think you should get some Jello. Yeah.
I think we just wasted all of Jay's cereal.
Yeah,
oh well, we'll try it. What's he doing?
I think he's trying to get up the hill on a flat tire.
It has a flat?
Yeah.
It's pretty flat. Alright, we might have to go watch a knucklehead try to go up a hill with a flat tire on his dirt bike. Alright, so we were going to go deer hunting in the morning. We're not going to go anymore. It's supposed to be pissing rain, so
Nasty.
that's the juice. It's good.
That's the tea, eh?
That's it, man.
Trying to sip
I think we're gonna do some good. So.
Yeah.
I did a duck hunt the other day. It was pretty good.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I'll follow it.
Huh?
I'll subscribe to it.
Nice. I need more subscribers. I have 8. Well, I've only posted like 3 videos.
Oh, okay. Shit. What's your name on YouTube?
Reed Tickler. We're getting ready to ball haul this hill, son. We're gonna get buddy. Woo! Power slides. Whoa! Hey, you found some dry dirt.
Where's your helmet? I don't know, helmet boss, I'm good.
Famous last words in the mud. Don't need a helmet. Oh, now he's got to start going again. More throttle.
Rolling down the hill.
There you go. Right there. Give it. Give it. There you go.
Good drag. He's gonna trade that for a motorcycle with another side.
Where'd he go? Oh, I think he's going to get the SD card for us so we can check the camera. Oh, here he comes. Full straight. Let's get it. Here he comes around the corner. He better give her some throttle or he ain't gonna make it. He's not very good at the clutch. And you're talking to your older brother about how to crash?
I just stupid. I mean, hey, TV is the hardest crash.
Here he comes. Here he comes on the bicycle. Get it, boy. Dig, 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 dig. He ain't gonna make it. He ain't got it. He ain't got it. Oh. Come on. Come on.
Now walk it out. Now walk it out. Walk it out. Hey, when you wrap it up there, go ahead and put it down there. I'm gonna go put it down there right now. Okay.
Hi, Lex.
Right on, baby.
We're gonna head back to the house. Drink some cold beer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. And have a good Thanksgiving.